Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Civic air filter. First, make sure your car is off and parked safely. You'll need a new air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Pop open the hood and find the large black box, which is your air filter housing. It's usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. This simple maintenance can improve your car's performance. Now, let's get that old filter out. You'll see two metal clips on the front of the air filter housing. Unclip those, then gently lift the top half of the housing. You don't need to remove any hoses. Just lift it enough to access the filter. Carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to notice how it was seated. With the old filter out, it's time for the new one. Make sure the new filter is oriented correctly, just like the old one was. Gently place it into the housing tray, ensuring it sits flush and securely. Then, carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back into place. Re-engage the two metal clips to secure the housing tightly. You're almost done. Double-check that both clips are securely fastened on the air filter housing. Give it a little wiggle to make sure it's tight. Now, start your engine and listen for any unusual sounds. Everything should be running smoothly. Changing your air filter regularly is a simple way to keep your engine healthy. Also, for a great read that could truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth linked in the description, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.